Hi, Andy here from FlixMyswitchLaser. So a couple of people have said, Andy, how accurate is your fine focus system for the Ray5? And I said, well, it's very accurate, otherwise I wouldn't use it. So I've done a quick video here showing you it's about a 15-minute burn, but I will shorten the video down in post. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to I'm going to burn a square. So just burn a four-sided square just by using the line. Then I'm going to send the laser off around the bed doing different angles, so moving the head backs and forwards, left and right, 45-degree angles, doing circles, and that does that for 15 minutes, and then it will come back in the same position and burn another square over the original square, and hopefully you shouldn't see double lines. Anyway, long story short, you don't see double lines, but the proof is in the pudding. So here's a short video of me doing it. So it'll be a short video, about 2 minutes, and I will compress the 15-minute burn into that time. Anyway, see you at the end. So going to do a second accuracy test, pretty much the same. It's going to burn a square in the corner, do some engraving, but obviously not burn anything, do a circle, do some 45 engraving, come back, burn a square. Speed again is 10,000 millimeters a minute, and you do have to change that in your controller to make sure you get above 6,000, because 6,000 is default. So doing some circular infill now. Then the last test will be hatching at 45 degrees. .45-degree hatching. So I hope you think that's a fair test of some engraving. I think it's run for 15 minutes is the actual run time. Once this crosshatch 45 degree is finished, it will go back to the original position and burn another square, and we'll take a look to see if there's any offset in the two squares that we've burned. So here we are, getting really close to the end now. Okay, I hope you can see that. That's pretty good. I don't know if that's going to come in. Let's have a look through the camera. But that is perfect. No double line. So, yeah, I think the mount is good. I'm happy to release the files. That's it. So that's Andy as ever, wishing you a very good afternoon. Continue to make some happy smoke, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.
Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well. And if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.